Hiccup is currently blind. She can't see, but she can hear, and she's not able to walk or talk anymore. She used to be able to talk. She got diagnosed with jaw syndrome and rare palsy. Jaw syndrome and rare palsy. So yeah, I can't wait for you to see Hiccup again, and she's not able to walk. She wasn't able to walk anyways, but now she can't talk. She's unverbal and a non-talker and a not walker. She can't do anything for herself. She's in diapers, and I'll do a day in life with her when I get back from California. I'm taking my son Isaac. He has his own YouTube channel. Called Isaac's Reborn, with a picture with Isaac on it. I'll show you Isaac real quick. He has his own YouTube channel with a picture of him. So that's Isaac. He has his own YouTube channel called Isaac's Reborn. So if you want, I got my little sister, my 2-year-old sister. Say hi, Julie. Hi. She's 2. She's my little sister, my fake sister. Say hi, Julian. Hi. I'm 2. 2. You're 2. She's 2. I'm my sissy mommy. I'm like her mom and her sister, but you're my sister, huh? Yeah, I'm baby sissy. You baby sissy, yeah. And sissy, my sister. Yes, I'm your sister. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.